Lesson 4, Administrative Tasks. Up till now we've been working with scheduling client functions or client deployment. We're now going to switch to the administrative side, the server. In Unit 10, you set up a maintenance script using the Administration Center to perform your database backups, your storage pool backups, as well as migration and reclamation and expiration. That is a form of scheduling administrative tasks. We're also going to show you in this lesson how to do this with a command line. When you're scheduling an administrative task, you'll need to specify type equals administrative because type equals client is the default. When you were defining client schedules, you needed to associate it with a policy domain. That's not the case with the administrative tasks. You can schedule pretty much any administrative command other than query actlog. And your activity log is where the output of your schedules will go. This is what we did in Unit 10. We scheduled a maintenance script to be run. This is examples of using a command line to create some administrative schedules. In the first command, we're going to create a schedule called Backup Archive Pool that's going to back up the primary storage pool archive pool to a copy pool called Recovery Pool. You want this schedule to run at 6 p.m. every 3 days. So the command will be define schedule, the name of the schedule, Backup Archive Pool, the type equals administrative. Then you say command equals and include the command you're going to run in quotations. In our case, we're going to back up our storage pool archive pool to recovery pool. It is an active schedule, active equals yes. Our start time, 6 p.m. or 1800, and period equals 3. This is every 3 days. The second example is showing how to schedule the backup archive pool that backs up your archive pool to recovery pool. But this time we want to use an enhanced schedule and run the schedule on the 7th, 14th, 21st, and 28th of every month. The command, define schedule, the name of our schedule, backup archive pool, type equals administrative, and our command, in quotation marks, style equals enhanced. This is using the calendar-based scheduling. So style equals enhanced, day of month equals 7, 14, 21, and 28. Additional types of schedules you can run basically, again, any command except query actlog. So if you're going to need to import or export some server definitions or administrators, you can schedule this to run at non-peak times. Something else you can schedule is your volume history maintenance. Delete vol hist. This is trimming down the volume history files so you're getting rid of the old files you don't need. Identify duplicates. This is something you're going to want to schedule and probably put a time limit on. This is if you're using data deduplication. And you can also use it to prepare your disaster recovery plan file. This is the end of Unit 11. You should now be able to describe the difference between client polling and server prompted, identify and describe available scheduler options, associate a scheduler option with a schedule method, identify the tasks that can be scheduled for a client, create or copy a schedule, define the association of client to schedule, and set up automatic client deployment. You can now do the exercises for Unit 11.